In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create yourself as a Funko Pop in Microsoft Designer. Whether you're a fan of these cute collectible figures or just looking for a fun project, this tutorial will guide you through creating a digital version of yourself in Funko Pop style. Let's get started. First, you'll want to go to Microsoft Designer and log in with your Microsoft account. If you haven't set up an account, you can do so quickly from the main page. Having a Microsoft account gives you access to all the design tools Microsoft offers, including some that are perfect for this creative task. Once you're logged in, the next step is to click on Create New Design. This button is your gateway to starting your project. From here, you have the option to select a custom canvas or choose from a variety of presets. If you're unsure which to pick, keep in mind that a custom canvas might provide the flexibility you need. If you have a specific vision in mind, presets, on the other hand, can be a quick way to dive into your design without having to decide on dimensions or settings. Now that you've made your choice, it's time to set up your canvas. This involves organizing your workspace so you can efficiently manage the layers and elements of your design. Properly setting up your canvas will ensure that your final design looks polished and professional. With your canvas ready, click on Generate Images with AI. This feature utilizes Microsoft's AI to create elements that resemble the unique Funko Pop style. It's a fascinating tool that brings technology and creativity together to help bring your ideas to life with just a few clicks. After initiating the AI image generation, the next thing you need to do is click Generate. At this point, Microsoft Designer will begin crafting images inspired by the Funko Pop art style. This step is entirely automatic, so sit back and let the technology work its magic. Once the images have been generated, take some time to refine and edit them if needed. This step allows for personal customization, making sure your Funko Pop likeness captures your features or any personal touches you'd like to include. Use the editing tools available to adjust elements until you're satisfied with the look. Finally, with your design complete, you can download your Funko Pop. Click on Download a file and you'll have your creation saved to your device, ready to share with friends or use in your digital space. It's a fun and rewarding way to see yourself transformed into a whimsical, collectible figure. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to create yourself as a Funko Pop using Microsoft Designer. Hopefully this process has been straightforward and inspires you to explore more creative projects. Until next time, happy designing.